In this video, I'll be talking about CSS syntax. Before we begin, know that this section is essential that you fully understand, so please listen carefully. Also take extra note of the section about IDs and classes. 100% understanding of that part is also essential. And I find the best way to understanding these concepts is to play around with code yourself. Write your own code and see what it does and why it does this, why it doesn't do this. Don't just read a book or listen to someone talk. Anyways, let's begin with basic CSS syntax. In CSS, each thing I declare, it's called a rule set, consists of a selector and a declaration block, and declarations inside the declaration block. A CSS selector, what it does is it selects which elements you want to style. The declaration block contains all of your declarations. Each declaration is separated by semicolons, and declarations state what CSS property you want to set and to what value. And lastly, remember to surround your declaration blocks with curly brackets. So in our example, the selector is divider, and the declarations are the font color should equal to blue, and the text align should be right. Anyways, that about finishes this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll see you next time.